Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do an essay on topic my experience of a flight by an aeroplane. During the last summer holidays, I went to visit my uncle in Delhi. He had promised to give me a ride on an aeroplane. One day he took me to the Safdarjung airport where he was a member of the flying club. At the airport, I saw many small planes and gliders, some buzzing high overhead, some just taking off, and some in the process of landing. A plane was ready for takeoff, and a pilot was taking his seat in the cockpit. He agreed to take me along. I felt excited as I took the adjoining seat and fastened the seat belt. The propellers whirred. There was a sudden roar, and the plane started moving. For a minute or two, it ran like a car bumping along the ground. Then it gained some speed and began to rise higher and higher. Soon we are high up in the air. The airport and the hangars had been left far below. It being a novel experience for me, my heart beat fast with excitement. As the plane rose higher, the ground appeared to be dropping away beneath us. Soon we are circling over the city. Down below, everything looked small and far away. The river Yamuna looked like a silver thread, and roads appeared as thin lines drawn on paper. Tall skyscrapers looked like teeny huts. Fields and gardens looked like carpets. A train emerging from the Yamuna bridge looked like a toy. People looked like ants. The entire scene looked strange and wonderful. After about half an hour's flight, the plane began to descend. In a few minutes, we were hovering over the airport. Very gently, the plane glided down and touched the ground. For a while, it ran on the tarmac and then came to the standstill. I came out of the plane and thanked my uncle for this exciting experience. That was also the moment when I was decided that I would become a pilot when I grew up. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.